Next, we will demonstrate the half buttonhole stitch. It is somewhat similar to the buttonhole stitch above. It is a stitch that has evolved from it. Let us demonstrate it. Using 4 strands of floss, color number 6, we will start from the right side of the pattern. Bring the needle through here. Bring the needle down at the center point. Do not pull the floss tight. Leave a loop on the fabric. Then bring the needle through above the vertical line. Then pull the floss tight. It has formed the first buttonhole. Let's demonstrate it again. Bring the needle down at the circle center. Bring the needle through directly above the line. Bring the needle through the loop and pull up. The second half buttonhole stitch is formed. Follow this step-by-step process. Complete the remaining pattern. Pay attention to the tension while stitching. Try to keep each small loop consistent. This will make the pattern neater. This stitch is perfect for small petals or leaves. The result is round and full. It's also great for edges and lace decoration. Bring the needle down at the outer edge. Then bring the needle through at center. Then stitch once to the right. Bring the needle down here. The half buttonhole stitch is now complete. Let's take a look at the finished embroidery.